Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective way to create a professional goal planner with timeline view in Notion, and I'll share a free template that makes the process even smoother. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a structured, visually engaging system for tracking your goals, deadlines, and progress, all in one tidy workspace. Whether you want to crush personal milestones or keep your projects on track, this method will help you stay organized, motivated, and ready to tackle your goals. So let's dive right in. For this demo, we're going to use a ready-made template called Goal Planner with Timeline View. This template gives you a polished, professional look from the start and saves you time compared to building it from scratch. It also has the flexibility you need to customize it for whatever ambitions you're working on, whether it's a fitness challenge, a big work project, or a series of creative goals. First, open up Notion and look toward the top left corner of your workspace. You'll see a little drop-down menu. If you're new to Notion, this menu is kind of like your toolbox for adding new pages or exploring templates. Click on it and select More Options. Under More Options, you'll find Browse Templates. Go ahead and click that. If you haven't tried templates in Notion before, you're in for a treat. They're designed by pros to look clean and work smoothly, which means you skip the tedious setup and jump right to making it your own. Now, in the template browsing area, head to the search bar at the top. Type in Goal Planner with Timeline View Database. Notion will instantly bring up relevant template options. Take your time to scroll through. You'll notice layouts that feature timeline visuals, database fields for entering your goals, and spots for adding details that matter to you. Look for the one that matches your style or the type of goals you're working on. I personally like to choose a template that allows for easy visual tracking. A timeline view lets you literally see how your goals stretch over weeks and months, almost like marking up a calendar. When you find the template you like, click on it and then hit Add. It may take a few moments for the template to appear in your workspace, so don't worry if it doesn't load instantly. Notion is just setting everything up for you. With the template now in your workspace, it's time to start personalizing. This is where you get to make the planner truly yours. Replace the default goal names with your own, whether it's Launch New Website or Read 5 Books This Summer. You'll see dedicated fields for credentials, key dates, resources, and any creative elements you want to bring in. You might want to attach reference materials, images, or even motivational quotes. If the template includes sections you don't need, feel free to tweak them. Notion's drag-and-drop system makes adjustments really easy, even if you're just starting out. Don't be afraid to play around here. Try adding color tags or custom properties. Think of Notion as your digital bulletin board. The more tailored it is to you, the more likely you'll stick to your goals. And remember, you can always come back to further refine or add new goals whenever you need. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a bit of customization, you've set up a goal planner with a timeline view in Notion that keeps you organized, motivated, and visually aware of your progress. If you ever get stuck or want to add more advanced features like reminders or linked databases, just explore Notion's Help Center or drop your questions in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another productivity tip or template walkthrough. Thanks for watching and happy goal setting!